Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Ethiopia withdrawal method on your Lollipop Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Lollipop Live account. The next thing is to click on the image icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the T-point option. So right here on my T-point option, I just have to click on the cash out option. Click on withdraw. So you're going to see currency type and payment method. Just click on the currency type. Click on the Ethiopia, which is the ETB withdrawal method. Just click on it. This payment method is mostly used by the citizens of Ethiopia or any other person that have Ethiopia accounts. Click on the payment method. So you can see that this payment method is not available yet on your Lollipop Live app, so you can just screenshot it. And so all you have to do is to head straight to your feedback option and make a request that Lollipop app should add payment method on Lollipop Live app. You add a screenshot of the payment method and submit. Lollipop will give you reply within 24 hours. But if you don't want to wait for all this process and you have maybe paper accounts, you just have to go back and select any of the withdrawal method of your choice and then complete your transaction or withdraw your fund. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to withdraw it on Lollipop Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips.